Hello everyone, welcome back to TechBro. Amazing creators, transitions are an essential part of video editing because they help maintain a smooth flow between scenes and enhance all overall visual appeal. Their main purpose is to create seamless movement from one shoot to the next, which keeps your audience engaged. You might already be familiar with common transitions like cut, fades, wipes and dissolves. Today we are taking things up a notch. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a stylish clock style mask transition using FIlmora 14. So link is available in the video description, so let's dive in. Before we begin, make sure you have downloaded and installed the latest version of FIlmora from the official website. After logging in, install the software and here is the software interface. Open FIlmora and import the clip you want to use. Drag and drop it onto the timeline and start by splitting the video at the beginning of each new location. Next, we will create our mask transition. Go to the mask setting and select the circle mask. Adjust it to resemble a clock face, then duplicate this mask clip and place the duplicate on track 3. Go back to the clip on the track 2, scroll down and invert the mask. Now select the clip on track 3, move the playhead to the beginning of the clip and increase the scale until the footage from track 1 is completely visible. At the end of the clip, reset the scale back to the normal. To make the effect more realistic, select the clip on track 3, go to the basic settings, scroll to the shadow option and enable it. Set the shadow type of projection, the distance to 8, blur to 5 and opacity to 65. Add on opacity keyframe at the start of the clip. At the end, set the shadow opacity to 0. Now let's add a zoom out blur effect. Go to the effect panel and open Boris FX, then blur and apply the BCC radial blur to the track 3 clip. Open the blur setting, move to the playhead 5 frames in and set a blur keyframe. Then at the end of the clip, change the blur amount to 0. After that, render your project to preview the final result. Looks amazing, right? You can take it even further by using smart cutout or mask to isolate building or other element and animate them individually. Just remember to keep the transition short, about 15 to 20 frames from the smoothness result. Have fun experimenting. So link is available in the video description, and that's it for today's video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.